Okay, I know you are stuck at home like everybody else, trying to figure out how are you going to make money? How are you actually going to grow your business while we're all at home? Well, I want you to think of it this way. This is actually a unique opportunity because right now the whole world is shut down. The whole world is basically at home online. So think of it that way. You have never had a more captive audience, and you have the whole world right now. I mean, we don't even have sports to entertain ourselves. I mean, nobody's being distracted by March Madness or, even some new Hollywood gossip happening, or our election system has basically been put on, pause as well. So right now, everybody is online and they're probably searching for, answers to the problems that they have. So if you have a product, a business, or a service that actually can solve a problem, you need to be online. This is where you are actually going to, not only grow your business, but expand it. Okay, you are going to expand it in ways you never could have before because right now everybody is there. Everybody is online. I mean, think of it as somebody told you the whole world is basically down at the town square, right in your center of your town. And you could actually have, your own fold-out table, right? And you could have a poster. That is basically what the internet is giving you right now. It is giving you your own fold-out table with a poster so that you could attract the right people to your business, your product, or your service. Think of it that way. Think of the internet as town square right now with the whole world, coming there at different points of the day, multiple times during the day, and looking for precisely what you are offering. So I want to make sure you understand this is an incredible opportunity. This actually shouldn't be, this doom and gloom that we have. In fact, it is the most incredible time, and I want you to seize it, okay? And one way you can do that is a YouTube channel, because everybody is going to Google and typing in some sort of question. And more often than not, they're going to be directed to a YouTube video that answers that. If you're not on YouTube, they're not going to find you. Okay, so you need to actually start a YouTube channel. I've got a YouTube starter kit for $7. I made it so cheap because I want everybody to get it. And it's going to help you walk it through so that you can actually start it today. So go to ytstarter.com, get the YouTube starter, and get online. Put your table out there with your poster and get the right people to know what you do and become a customer.